Hey guys, so Colin here again. So we're just going to go over the chords we've done the last couple of videos, and basically these 4 chords actually create a song. And the song is I don't know if you've heard the Radio 1 All Stars version of Times Like These by the Foo Fighters. So it's basically just those 4 chords. So I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how to play the song, basically, hopefully. And we'd love to see if you guys can do it. Love to see videos of you guys try to do it. And we could even, do an online jam session, get everybody involved, record it. It'd be really good. So starts off on D, and it's just and then it just stays with D, and it just, and then A minor, C, E minor, back to D, D, A minor, C, E minor, and then we're going to the chorus. C, E minor, D, C, E minor, D, C, E minor, C, D, D, A minor, C, E minor, D. C, E minor, D, C, E minor. It pretty much just goes on like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So just listen to the song and just try and play along with it, and see how you get on, and show us how you get on. That'd be really good.